Hello students, 12th Accountancy, Unit 5, illustration number 27 continuation. So stock value is depreciated by 20% recorded. Then D, anticipated claim on workman compensation fund is 1000. Already we recorded regarding anticipation claim, rupees 1000 is reserved. That is workman compensation fund, 1000 rupees reserved. Then what they have given, D is over. Then E, unrecorded investment. So investment means asset. It is not recorded in the book. So when a new investment is recorded in the book, mean asset value is automatically it will be increased. So now it will affect the revaluation account. When the assets values are increased or decreased, or liability values are increased or decreased, it should be brought to the revaluation account. So now unrecorded investment, it increases the asset value. So in the revaluation account, the credit side you have to record unrecorded investment value is 11,000. So by investment 11,000 recorded. The same thing it's going to be recorded in the balance sheet also. Investment rupees 11,000 recorded. Then what they have given here, so E is over. Then F, the goodwill of the firm is valued at 30,000. So entire firm goodwill is 30,000, not Theory's. The entire partnership goodwill is 30,000, and Theory brought cash for his share of goodwill. So for his share of goodwill he brought the amount. The existing partners withdraw the entire amount brought by Theory towards goodwill. Now you see here what is the contribution of what is the profit sharing ratio of Theory. For that he brought that goodwill amount. Now you see here Theory is the new profit sharing ratio is given 5:3:2. 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 2 10. So last one is Theory, 2 by 10. 2 by 10 in 30,000. 2 by 10 is the Theory's profit sharing ratio. For his share of goodwill he brought the amount 2 by 10. So 1010. 3,000 into 2 6,000. So he brought the goodwill amount 6,000. So this 6,000 is distributed to the sacrificed partner. Actually, when the new partner brings the goodwill amount will be distributed to the sacrificing partner. Now the 2 by 10 is a ratio for Theory. The 2 by 10 Theory got from whom? That we have to calculate it. That is sacrificing ratio, we have to calculate it. Sacrificing ratio is equal to old ratio minus new ratio. Now we got old ratio as well as new ratio also. So old ratio for Veena 2 by 3 minus 5 by 10. 5 by 10. Here you see here the denominators are varying. To make it as common, we are going to have the LCM. That is the opposite direction we are going to multiply it. So 2 by 3 into 10 minus 5 by 3 into 10 by 3. So we got the value 30 is the common value. 2 into 10 20 minus 5 into 3 15. So we got the value as 5 by 30. So Veena's sacrificing is 5. Then for Pearl we are going to calculate it. For Pearl 1 by 3 minus 3 by 10. 1 by 3 minus 3 by 10. Now you see here we are going to have the denominator same value. So 10 minus 3 by 10 into 3. So equal to common value 30. 1 into 10 10. 3 into 3 9. So we got the value 1 by 30. So now 5:1. 5:1 is the sacrificing ratio. 5:1 is the sacrificing ratio. The amount 6,000 is distributed in the ratio of 5:1 to the old partners. So the first partner got 5,000, the second partner got 1,000. So the first partner, who is the first partner? Veena. So Veena got 5,000 and Pearl got 1,000 rupees. So it is going to be recorded in this book also, capital account. So 1/4/2018, Theri brought amount 6,000 for goodwill. It will be recorded in the name of bank account only. It won't be recorded as goodwill. So it is a secretly we are going to record. So in that case, it won't be recorded as goodwill. So 5,000 for Veena and 1,000 for Pearl is recorded. Then what they given? So F is recorded. F half amount we recorded. What they said? Theri brought cash for his share of goodwill. It is given to the old partners in their sacrificing ratio. The next what they saying? The existing partners withdraw the entire amount. The entire amount, goodwill amount, withdrawn by the existing partners, which is brought by the Theri. In that case, the 5,000 and 1,000 rupees is taken by Veena and Pearl. In that case, you see here, when the cash comes into the account, mean it is recorded on the credit side. When it goes out, it should be recorded on the debit side. The same date, 1/4/2018, to bank. The cash is going out from Veena's account, 5,000. The entire amount is going out. For Pearl, 1,000 rupees. Theri, nothing else. So the entire transaction is recorded now. We are going to see asset side now. Buildings. Regarding buildings, do you have any transaction? No. So it is not yet recorded. Building value is 60,000. It is recorded in the balance sheet. Buildings 60,000 recorded. Then what they have given? Machinery 30,000. Regarding machinery, they didn't give anything else, so we can record it now. Machinery value is 30,000. 30,000 recorded. Then what they given? Debtors 20,000. So debtors 20,000. Regarding debtors also no adjustment is given. So debtors 20,000 recorded. Then what they have given? Stock. Regarding stock, already we did that adjustment, depreciation. Then what is there? Cash at bank 30,000. The last sum itself I informed you. When cash at bank is given, mean it should be recorded in the inner column, because additional cash transaction, if it is made, mean it should be brought to the notice. So what is the cash at bank value? 30,000. It is recorded in the inner column. Now you see here, the new partner is admitted. He brought rupees 30,000 for his capital contribution. So capital, who's the third is capital. There is capital amount 30,000. So it is added. Along with that, Theri brought rupees 6,000 for his share of goodwill. So 6,000 is added here. He brought 6,000 for his share of goodwill, and then the same 6,000 is withdrawn by the old partners. In other sums, they didn't taken away, but here the existing partners, they have taken away the 6,000. So now we are subtracting the amount 6,000. So we got the 60,000 as a cash at bank value finally. So you see here, keep it in mind, it's very important. Now already the old balance sheet shows the cash at bank value is 30,000. Theri brought 30,000 for capital contribution. It is added together. Along with that, Theri brought rupees 6,000 for his share of goodwill. His share of goodwill 6,000 he brought. So 66,000 finally cash value. But from the cash account, he taken 6,000. The old partners Pearl and Veena, they have taken the goodwill amount which is brought by the Theri from their account. 6,000 is taken away. So 6,000 is subtracted. So finally we got the value 60,000. Now we are going to balance the account. First we are going to balance the revaluation account. All the entries are recorded in the sum. Investment, so revaluation account credit balance shows 11,000. debit side we got 2000. So difference amount is 9000. To profit on revaluation account, profit on revaluation transferred to Venus capital account and Pearl's capital account. So 9000 is distributed in the profit sharing ratio, old profit sharing ratio. So 9000 into 2 by 3 for Veena. 1 3 is 3, 3 3s are 9. So 6000 for Veena and 1 by 3 means 3000. 3000 for Pearl. So total amount is 9000. Now this 9000 is distributed to the old partners Veena and Pearl. It is going to be recorded in the capital account also. It is an income to the partners. So in the capital account credit side, 1/4/2018 by revaluation account, $6,000 for Veena and 3,000 for Pearl. For theory, nothing else, because it's a profit amount distributed to the old partners. Now we are going to balance the capital account. For theory, debit side no balance, but credit side we got 30,000. It is recorded 30,000. Here also 30,000. Difference amount is recorded as here 30,000. Now we see here in capital account debit side Pearl got 1000 rupees, but here more amount is there, so we can balance the credit side. 000. Fourth position 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 3 7. Fifth position 1 plus 4 5. So 57,000 is there. Here 1000 rupees. So 57,000 is the largest value. It is recorded. Different amount is recorded here as 56,000. Here it got 5,000 for Veena in debit side, but more amount he got in credit side. So we are going to balance credit side first. 000, comma, fourth position 6 plus 5 11, 11 plus 6 17, 7, 1 is the fifth position, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 6 9. So 97,000. Here credit balance is the maximum value. 97,000 is recorded. Difference amount is 92,000. This is a closing balance on 1/4/2018 to balance C by D. So the same thing is dropped down here on 1/4/2018 by balance B by D, 92,000 and 56,000 and 30,000. It is recorded. The same amount is going to be recorded in the balance sheet also, in the heading of capital account. Capital account on 1/4/2018 after admitting the new partner. So Veena, Pearl and Theri. Veena 92,000. Pearl 56,000. And then for Theri 30,000. Recorded. Add it. 000. Fourth position 6 plus 2 8. 5 plus 3 8. 8 plus 9 17. So 1,78,000. You got the difference amount. Now we are going to balance here 000. Fourth position 1 plus 8 9. Fifth position 1 plus 7 8. Sixth position 1. So we got amount 1,89,000. The same way you are going to balance on asset side also. 000, fourth position 0, 1, 1 plus 8, 9, fifth position 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 3, 11, 11 plus 6, 17, 17 plus 1, 18. So we got the balance amount 1,89,000 is a 5 mark question.